I highly recommend Psychic Shivaraj for his exceptional love psychic service. His insights were incredibly accurate and profound, guiding me through the complexities of my relationship. With genuine care and wisdom, he provided me with clarity and empowered me to make the right choices for my heart. Truly remarkable.
Hi, my brother Astrology Rajesh. Long time since we met. Your deep knowledges and accurate prediction have provided invaluable guidance in various aspects of my life. Shivaraji's compassionate demeanor and genuine desire to help others make him an exceptional astrologer. I highly recommended his service to anyone seeking profound insights and clarity through astrology. Thank you, Shivarajis.
Hello, astrologer Shivaraji. How are you? You worked wonders in my life with your expert guidance and profound astrological insights. I managed to mend my broken relationship and get back my ex. Your compassionate approach and accurate remedies are truly remarkable. I highly recommend your services to anyone seeking to reunite with their ex. Thank you, Shivarajji, for bringing love back into my life.
Hello, my name is James, and I'm immensely grateful to astrologer Chivarich for his outstanding service in solving my business problems. His astrological guidance and remedies brought remarkable transformations in my professional life. With his deep knowledge and intuitive abilities, he helped me navigate challenges and achieve tremendous success. A true blessing for entrepreneurs.
I am immensely grateful to astrologer Shivaraji for his exceptional services in negative energy removal. His deep understanding of the dark arts and powerful remedies helped me break free from the clutches of negative energies. Shivaraji's expertise and genuine concern for his clients makes him an outstanding astrologer. I highly recommend his services to anyone in need of negative energy removal. Thank you, Shivaraji, for restoring peace and harmony in my life.
Hello, my name is Aditi. I wholeheartedly endorse astrologer Shivraj for his exceptional love problem solving service. His astrological expertise and compassionate guidance helped me overcome relationship hurdles. With his profound insights and effective remedies, he restored harmony and love in my life. Trustworthy, insightful, and genuinely caring, he is truly a love problem solving wizard.